Hi everyone, so in this video I will tell you how to install Pycharm IDE for Python. So firstly you need to install Python. Let's go to Google, Python download, and come here and install this for your laptop or desktop. I use Windows, so I download the Windows version. I already have this, so I don't need to reinstall this one. So next step, let's go to Google and search for the word Pycharm. Download Pycharm from JetBrains. In here, do not download the professional if you don't want to pay for this. You can download the community version for learning. So let's download it. Okay, and yes, okay. Let's download to install this. Okay, we already finished downloading. Let's click here to install this. What does it work now? Let's see. Yes. Next. Okay, next. I choose all of these tick box because I all need them. Next, install. Okay, so finish. Next step, we need to test if this one run well or not. Let's search Pycharm and open it up. Continue. I don't want to share any data, so I don't send it. Okay, so firstly let's start a project. Just see hello world. I don't want to put it in C, so I'll put it here. My project. My project. Okay, naming it hello world. Alright. So we leave it as a default and create. So finally we have the first program here. We can test with it. Let's try. As you can see, hi Pycharm has been printed here, so it's work well right now. Okay. So this is the end of our tutorial today. Goodbye and see you again.